Can't tell if it's night or day. I'm so tired that I can't fall asleep. Insomnia mixed with grief, followed by a chaser of regret and self-loathing. Am I gifted or inflicted? I don't know. There's so much I still need to know. Some choose to improvise, some choose to walk the line. Some want to own the world, and some are happy with peace of mind. Waiting hard for the dawn of day, and for this fever to finally break. Feels like I'm a candle in a darkened room, burning all alone. And at both ends, time on my own, I needed to sort out all my pieces, my convoluted reasons. Go round and round, how I kept you spinning with all my sinning. And I'm still so sorry for putting you through that. Oh, I know we are, I know we are past the point of forgiveness or ever going back. I know we are, I know we are past the point of forgiveness or ever going back. Plans of mine, they better quickly start to materialize. Soon I will find my circumstances going from bad to worse. They keep dancing in my dreams, melody, just like this broken song I sing.